Please put on your virtual reality glasses now. Adjust for the best 3D effect. Please put on your stereo headphones now.
Okay, this is a test of some virtual reality 3D. Let's start off by doing some house cleaning. Everybody likes to sweep. Let's do a little sweeping. How about a little dusting on the floor? And let's do some mopping. So I turned on my fake fireplace. Well, I got some real fireplace tools. Let's do some yard work. Trim those trees. Trim those bushes. Pull some weeds out. Let's grab some of those weeds. Let's trim those bushes. I'm having fun with this technology. I'm just experimenting, but I'm going to be trying to apply this for Vparanormal using some full spectrum cameras and synchronizing and getting some of the 3D going for virtual reality glasses. So, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it.